Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, you already know I have a raw Indian hair unboxing for you. So let's get started so we can see what gems I have today. Alright you guys, so I got this package open finally after fighting with it. Okay, so the first bundle that I have, so this is Indian Curly 18 inches. So this is 18 inches, very, very soft. This one's actually a dark, very dark color. This one's beautiful. This is exactly how it comes. Hair undefined, very soft and beautiful. This one is 22 inches, Indian Curly. This is how it looks. This one actually looks like it's gonna be really curly. Really, really beautiful. This one's like a level 2 raw Indian Curly bundle, you guys. Now I have another 22-inch raw Indian Curly. That's this one here. This one looks like it's gonna be a tad looser. Of course, all of these bundles are gonna be on the website right now. Hopefully you guys could catch it if you can. Email me if you would like to see a few pictures of the textures of the raw Indian Curly that I have available, or wavy as well, and the colors, because I know some of them come brown, some of them come a dark black. So if you're not trying to have to dye your hair, let me know so we can try to get the closest possible color to your hair. This one is another 22-inch raw Indian Curly bundle. This one actually looks a lot darker than the last one. Run my fingers right through it. Very, very beautiful. Nice and curly and textured. This is what the west look like. Hopefully I focus. All right. Here's a 20-inch Indian Curly. This one is 20 inches. I'm trying to hurry up, you guys, because I have a lot of hair I need to go through. So I might not go through every single bundle, but this one is 20 inches. This one is an 18-inch Indian Curly. 18 inches. Very, very beautiful. I know I'm gonna get questions. I have in raw Indian wavy hair. It's very long. I actually wand curled it, but that's what I'm wearing right now. Somebody's gonna ask me, so let me open this other box so then I can get to that hair as well. Okay, so now this box had the wavy hair in it. So let me get through some longer lengths. This one is 26 inches raw Indian wavy. Here's this one. Really beautiful raw Indian wavy. Very, very long bundles. Absolutely in love. Woo! Let me get another. I need a jet black like this.
Really, me too.
That one's nice. Here's another 26-inch raw Indian wavy. This one's real soft. That's how she looks. There's the west. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I have 28-inch raw Indian wavy as well. Here are two bundles of 28-inch Indian wavy here. I know I get a lot of questions. All of our hair is single drawn, so it's kind of like a ponytail of hair. So not every single strand comes all the way down to the bottom. That would necessarily be double drawn hair. If you want double drawn hair, please email me so then I can give you the price for double drawn hair as well. These ones are meant to be more natural from root to tip, just like the hair growing out of your scalp. So that's how they are. Natural colors as well. Some of them come slightly more light brown, but for the majority of the hair, they come in like a shade number 2 in color. So keep that in mind when purchasing raw Indian hair. I do have it specified on my website as well. If the hair is more brown than normal, I have that specifically put on there. So just keep that in mind when purchasing hair. If you guys need to custom order anything that is specific shade of color that you want it to be, if you want like the lightest brown shade that my vendor has, then you can definitely request that and then custom order through email. That way I know specifically what's needed. These are 28-inch raw Indian wavy. Very, very beautiful. I could barely hold it up so you guys could see. This is how it looks. That's how those are. And I have some lace here as well that I have to show you guys. So let me show you. Okay, so this one is a 6x6 22-inch wavy HD lace closure. This is how it comes. HD lace, 6x6, very big in size. This is how natural the hair looks. Indian wavy hair. All right. Sometimes I randomly keep in stock 6x6 and 13x6 frontals, but I do try and keep the 13x4s and the 5x5 closures in stock at all times. This one is 24 inches, very, very long, 24 inches, 6x6 HD lace closure, raw Indian wavy hair. And now I have another 6x6 22-inch raw Indian wavy HD lace closure as well. This one is 22 inches HD lace. So some of these will be on the website. I try to get as many as I can that my vendor has in stock. That's raw Indian wavy. All right, let me open this other package I have to show you the rest of the hair. Okay, so I do have some 18-inch HD lace 5x5 closures that I need to show you guys as well. These are 5x5 HD lace. This is how it comes right out of the package. This is actually a long 18-inch raw Indian curly to go with those bundles I just showed you. Lace blending right on in. That's that one. This one is also an 18-inch raw Indian curly 5x5 HD lace closure as well. So this is this one. Exactly how it comes, 5x5, very stretchy HD lace. Very soft and curly. There we go. So those are all the bundles that I have so far. I actually have another unboxing that I'm gonna do in a minute. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video on my channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. If you have any questions on purchasing raw Indian hair from me, you can check out my website at qbwigcollections.com for raw Indian hair that I have in stock, from lace closures, frontals, and bundles, curly and wavy. Raw Indian straight hair would have to be custom ordered from my custom order page on my website. So don't forget to check out the custom order page as well. If you guys have any questions, email me at qbwigcollections@gmail.com and I'll get back to you literally within a few hours. And I think that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Like this video, comment below any questions or concerns, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. together. Ooh. Ooh. We good? Lights. Lights bright. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, of course, you already know I have an unboxing from you. Hey guys, welcome back to my...
Oh, let me turn my ringer up on my phone for sure.
And it would be him calling. Hello?
Yes.
As soon as I start the video, my phone rings. What?
My apologies.
Yes.
Alright, that's all.
Alright.
You have to be trying to say all right. I've been
Not alright. Oh Lord.
No, you can't get it right yet.
Nikki's here. Coloring hair and washing the bundles. I gotta hurry up and get these out the package so she can wash these.
Better for that expensive wig.
Ha!
No, for real.
Ha!
You didn't tell me the price before you put it on.
Hey, it's over. It's over. She got it. Alright. Let me go. I'm sweating because we gotta turn the air off.
Alright.
DHL didn't come yet. Okay, I didn't think so. It's only 11. Okay.
Make like 3-4 videos. Bye.
What? Bye. 3-4. You pushing it. Try to call Bobby again real quick. Oh, Barbara is on another call. Okay,
Oh my
look.
God.
Anyways, let me put my phone on silenta. Yeesh.
Who was hot? Got hot quick.
Oh, she gave me $100 tip. Thank you.
Dang.
Gracias. Need that.
Whew.
Now. Oh, we was recording that whole time. Everything with each other so you know the length. So I'm about to take it all out and just talk to the side. Excuse me, you guys. I'm talking to my sister over here. She about to start washing all these bundles so I can hurry up and get them on the website. Now my Indian hair vendor sending the Indian newspaper with the hair. I don't know nothing that's on there. Ah! I'm dropping everything.
13 by 6.
I know that 13 by 6. I like the 13 by 6s.
It smells good.
It better smell good. And if you have any questions on purchasing raw Indian hair from me, they have, I messed that up.